Here I am at my hotel in Bathurst. I decided to, on my way to the snowy mountains, I decided to stop by at Mount Panorama, and I pulled the trigger. I ended up paying $200 or more than $200 a night to stay at this hotel. So here we go. This is what the hotel looks like. Now, unfortunately, this room here has a connection to the next room next door, probably for extended families can be next door and they can open the doors. But unfortunately, there's no insulation, no soundproofing. And last night, I had to put up with a real freaking loud snorer. Like, I don't know, that wasn't any normal snoring. I think he's got issues. God, that was terrible. But I managed to sleep though, thank goodness. And that's the floor layout of the building. Now let's have a look at the. See, there's a stove here that I'll never use. Microwave and a fridge. I had to turn that off at the wall last night because the motor keeps coming on and makes a horrible racket. And there's Steve Rydges' car from 2007. I had to look that up because I thought it was 2008, but I had to do a Google search for the pictures, and I realised I was off by 1 year. That's the 07 car. Now let's have a look at the view. I haven't seen the view at all yet today. There it is. There's Mount Panorama Circuit. I haven't opened the door yet. I bet it's freezing outside. It's nice and warm in here, but the forecast for today, this morning, was it was supposed to be 5 degrees. So let's see what 5 degrees feels like. Whoa, it's cold. There it is. There's Conrod Strait. There's the Chase. Mount Panorama sign. The Armorel Bridge, and that's the back of the pit lane. Awesome. Awesome view. So there you have it. Room 324 is my room number. And there you have it. There's my room.